So Jerry, you found love in Pattaya?
I did.
Man, how did it happen?
It was just love at first sight.
Wow. And if he can have her,
Yep.
why not you?
That's right.
Y'all ready to get out the Matrix?
Get over here!
I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man, Richie Mack. The Travel OG. Wait a minute. She talking bad about me. She cleaned up my room today, and she tried to make a deal with me. What would you say? What you want to do?
I want to look like same there, just only 1 week.
1 week, what, the same, what, how you cleaned it up?
Clean everything. No shirt, no
Just how you-
chip, no.
No chips. She said no shirt, no chips. Why you mad? 'Cause I got my little chips in here.
No water.
No water? I need my water.
Water can, but the same this one.
Oh, make it clean. Not right here.
Yeah, I want to look clean, just 1 week.
1 week. I don't know if I can promise a week. Maybe one day.
Just 1 week.
1 week? I don't know. I try. I don't think I can do 1 week, dude. That's a long time. That's a long time.
1 week, not long.
Think so? You want to wait a week to clean it up?
No.
That's a long time.
No, I think I can clean every day. I think I was stop same here 1 week. I think I want to do. I want to think what you can make or not.
All right, you want to see if I can do 1 week? Imagine living in a country where damn near all the women are fine. Imagine living in a place that because most of the women are fine, they don't even know they fine. They just going about their business, riding around on motorbikes, cooking, sweeping. Thais do a lot of sweeping, by the way. If some of these women lived in the Matrix, they would get scooped up before they even got out the airport. I wonder if they moved to the Matrix, how long it would take for their software to get corrupted. How long would it take for them to start thinking like the women in the Matrix? A week? A few months? A few years? Like the great Willie D said,
Boy, you better keep her in the house, locked all the way up, because the moment she come out, man, it's over. You go out into corporate America, and it's a whole different ball game. And just like that, those women started getting in her ear, talking about, what do you mean you have to ask him, can you go on a vacation with the girls? What do you mean you got to ask him, can you go to the club? Next thing you know, she starts challenging these things. She starts, because she was like this traditional chick who was cook, clean, keep the house in order, while he go out and get the money and all that kind of stuff. And it worked for a long time. But I guess, it wasn't enough for her. So, started switching it up and stopped, consulting with him about certain things and all this. And hey, man, next thing you know, Splitsville.
and I think there's some truth to that. But that's part of the magic of living outside the Matrix. The women outside the Matrix only know their culture. In the Matrix, it seems like we have no culture. You drop a traditional woman in a world where there's no respect, no morals, no values, eventually the software is going to get corrupted. That's why I love my consultation so much. I get to meet my subscribers and Patreon members and have a one-on-one with them and help to give them the exact advice on the outcomes they're looking for. To me, this place under-promises and over-delivers. But now it's packed with foreigners from all over the globe. Traffic is crazy, which leads to more smog, so that doesn't help. But do you think that's going to stop people from pouring in here? Tourism numbers have increased through 2022 as travel restrictions have been lifted. Bangkok welcomed 22 million visitors. Imagine 22 million people flocking into one city. It's crazy. Bangkok is now the #1 visited tourist city in the world. This is the 5th time Bangkok has been ranked at the #1 spot. The original name of Bangkok is one of the longest names in the world. Y'all ready? Guntep, Mahanakan, Aman, Ratonakasin, Madiharahara, Ayutthaya, Pahalaladilat, Prop, Nobarapap, Ratchatani, Buriram. I gotta do that again. I really be trying to learn to speak Thai, but it's not easy. In America, we have 26 letters in our alphabet. Compared to Thailand, they got 76 letters in their alphabet. To me, The most amazing thing about Thailand is that it was never colonized by Europeans. I wonder if that has anything to do with the software out here. Now let's get back to Jerry. This man is 79 years old, but has the energy of a 29-year-old. He plays tennis 4 or 5 times a week, and when he was in Thailand the first time, he was tearing it up. You dig? Now, on a second trip, 7 days in, he seems to have found the love of his life, and he's putting all chips in on this one. He's pretty well off, and he decided when he leaves, he's leaving her
Everything.
Congratulations, bro.
17 days engagement.
He got engaged in 17 days. Don't try this at home, folks. Oh my God.
Here, get a picture.
Hey, oh, he wants to see the ring. Let's show the tricking. Let's see the tricking.
17 days.
17-day fiance. And she gets all the benefits, huh, Jeff?
All the benefits.
He tips over, she gets it all for
It's everything.
50 years.
Yep.
And he
Set
is,
for life.
and he ain't ashamed to say it,
Ain't
ladies.
ashamed.
He is doing his
Right,
thing.
I'm doing what I need to do.
Yes.
My last years.
Yeah,
My
man.
last 20 years I'm going to spend with you.
How old are you, Jerry? Do you want to say how old you are?
79.
79, and look what he cracked. How old is she, Jerry?
36.
36. He cracked 79, cracked the 36-year-old. This is Thailand. I can't make
This is
this up.
Thailand.
Jerry, tell him we can't make this
You
up.
can't make this stuff up. Trust me.
All right, Jerry. See you later, brother.
Bye, brother.
All right, brother. Have a safe trip.
What a lucky woman to meet somebody in less than 3 weeks and then be set for life. Like I used to say, only in America? Now I say, only in Thailand. Now let's get back to Elle.
What you wearing today? What you showing everybody them big old legs? Everybody want to know how to find an L. What do you tell them? I don't know.
Me too. I don't know. All the lady in Pattaya, you can.
Really? You look around. You still think man only come to Thailand for lady?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. 100% I give 99%.
Really? You said 80% before. Now you changed it?
Yeah, I'm saying.
All right, well, I got to get back to work, but you look very nice today.
Thank you.
You know what I'm saying? That's how you get on the motorbike? How you get on the motorbike like that? There better be some shorts up under there.
No, I have friend inside.
You got the shorts under there? Oh, okay. That's more like it. I'm like, you can't be all up on the bike like that.
Right,
Putting out the cookies. Yeah, you can't be putting out the cookies. And you getting dark, too. Did your mom say you getting dark?
Yeah.
What she
Too
say?
much.
She say you too dark? See, they don't know. We like dark. Dark
We
suai.
all have.
Dark suai to us. Dark suai to us. We like it. Tell them, fellas, don't we like dark? She look like a dark Barbie doll with big old legs.
Why? Why Batman like big legs? Why? It's just Batman have big legs, it's like big legs. It's just big legs, sexy.
Oh, that's what it is?
Hmm?
You think your big leg is sexy? Your big leg ain't sexy. It's that little neat waist. That's what's sexy, that little waist. You know? I better stop showing you off because they be getting thirsty, Noodle. They're like, why are you showing your girl to everybody? Because my girl is beautiful. Letting y'all know if I can do it, anybody can do it. You dig? That's right, kid, Noodle. Tell them, save yourself, back man.
อะไรนะ
Say, save yourself, back man.
Save yourself, Batman. Okay, bye bye.
All right, you leaving? You coming in? Where you going? You out of here? You doing some cleaning up? What you about to do?
No, I look this. You from distance.
Okay, she got her little fish farm. She be gardening and shit. What you about to do? Here we go. Can't make this shit up, man. What you looking for?
What else?
She be gardening and shit. All right, I gotta get back to work. I ain't got time to watch you with your Dr. Green Thumb. Say bye to everybody, Noodles. Tell them.
Bye bye.
Tell them. Theme music.
Theme music.
Soon to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for sure. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
I got to finish these ACA awards. Can you say ACA awards?
ACA what?
Yeah. I should have you give out an award, huh? They might want to see that. L give out an award, huh? I got to work on that. Man, so do you remember Jerry? He had the girlfriend? You know he got engaged in 17 days?
He wasn't happy.
Get engaged make you happy? That's what you think?
I think some people, yeah.
Really?
Yes.
17 days, that's too fast for me.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Some people think not fair, some people think fair. I don't know.
I don't know.
People
Would you get
not
engaged in 17 days?
mine.
See? That's what I'm saying.
No.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know about 17 days. But let's take a look. Let's take a look and see if because people might not believe that he got engaged 17 days, man. I got a video. Me and Elle went out and we met up with Jerry and his 17-day fiance.
Yeah.
And and that's what they said. Noodle say 17-day fiance.
17-day Beyonce.
You said Beyonce?
What?
Fiance.
Fiance.
Say 17-day fiance.
17-day fiance.
Shy.
What shy?
Shy. 17-day fiance. Let's take a look.